all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Janet B. Sumio. I'm 29 years old, single, and presently residing at Frederick 3, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. I am honest, loyal, obedient, and hardworking person. I graduated from Iloilo State College of Fisheries with a degree course of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Education. I've been a housemaid for almost 4 years. I do all the house chores like cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of children, taking care of elderly, and others.
What experience do you have in taking care of children?
Sir, madam, I have experience in taking care of children for almost 4 years. I know how to care of them. I can guide them well. I can teach them and supervise their homework. I can teach them good manners and right conduct, and I will assure that they will stay healthy under my care.
If the child is not feeling well, what will you do?
Sir, madam, if the child is not feeling well, I will check if he or she has a fever, or I will call my employer and ask and wait for their instruction.
If your employer has a visitor, what will you do?
If my employer has a visitor, I will greet them in a good manner and offer them something.
Are you willing to work to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Sir, madam, I'm very much willing to take care of them.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my financial needs of my family.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
If I will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise to be loyal and honest to you, and I will finish my contract for 2 years. Thank you.